A new job.
An interesting job has been advertised in the paper. A sales manager is required by a large company. I've written to them, but I haven't been contacted yet. This is a copy of the letter which I sent. Beardsley Hotel, Bayswater Road, London W2, the 8th of July, 1971. The Personnel Manager, World Computer Company, Basingstoke, Hampshire. Dear Sir, Sales Manager, reference JG/Q. I am interested in the post of Sales Manager which you advertised in today's newspaper. At the moment, I am employed by International Computer Company Limited. For the last 3 years, I have been in their Geneva office. While I was there, I was promoted to General Manager of the Sales, Advertising, and Marketing departments. Other positions which I have held have included Production Manager for Anglia Computers and Head of the Research Department of the same firm. I hope that an application form will be sent to me. Yours faithfully, Guy Hunt.
A job in the London office.
Why were you smiling just then?
Because I was reading this letter from IC.
Tell me what IC wants.
Listen to this. International Computer Company Limited, Ward Avenue, London SW7, the 15th of July, 1971. Dear Mr. Hunt, while we were having lunch last week, I mentioned a job in our London office. I have now been authorized to offer it to you. If you accept our offer, it will mean that your salary will be increased. I have spoken to our accounts department, and according to them, we are able to offer you an additional £400 a year. You will also be given 4 weeks holiday per annum instead of 3 weeks. I have enclosed some documents, one of which shows our profit and loss account, and another our plans for future expansion. You might like to look at these while you're considering our offer. Yours sincerely, Stephen Curtis.
Well, Sarah, what do you think?
It sounds like a good job, but I'd rather not live in London.
Oh, that's what's worrying you. Well, don't worry about it. While I was talking to Steve, I mentioned this, and he suggested we lived in the country outside London.
Perhaps we won't like living in the south.
Well, if we don't like it, we can leave. I warned Steve about that.
Well, all right. Weather.
The weather forecast hasn't been given yet, has it?
I don't think so. I haven't heard it yet.
Turn the radio up, please. There'll probably be a report in a few minutes. It's almost 1 o'clock.
My hands are full. I can't turn it up.
All right. I'll do it myself. This sounds like the end of a program.
You've been listening to Music for Everyone. And now here is a special message from our motoring unit. On the A5 in Buckinghamshire, where strong winds have blown several trees onto the road, driving is very dangerous. According to our reports, there have been several accidents. A man died when a tree fell and crushed his car. The accident happened at the junction of the A5 and the A43, about 6 miles north of Buckingham. Drivers are advised to avoid this area since the traffic is very heavy and delays of up to 30 minutes are expected. And now here is the weather forecast for the next 24 hours until midday tomorrow. Rain will continue in all areas until late tonight, but will die away gradually. Tomorrow will be sunny in the east. In the west there will be showers and bright periods. Temperatures will be between 17 and 18 degrees centigrade. That is 63 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit.
English sounds. Vowels and diphthongs. E, each. I, lift. E, red. A, map. R, far. O, not. Or, for. O, good. U, two. A, cup. A, girl. A man. A, late. A, late. O, home. I, time. Ow, how. Oi, boy. Ear, here. Air, where. Or, poor. Consonants. P, pop. B, bag. T, time. D, day. K, case. G, good. Ch, cheap. J, job. F, five. V, very. Th, thing. The, there. S, some. Z, zoo. Sh, shop. J, measure. M, meet. N, now. Ng, long. R, red. L, left. H, hot. Y, yet. W, well. English sounds in pairs. Feet, fit. Lift, left. Bed, bad. Pack, park. Farm, form. Court, coat. Late, light. Match, much. Took, talk. Let, late. Here, hair. Bath, birth. No, now. Birth, both. Must, most. Foot, fit. Bath, both. News, noise. View, few. Pack, back. Long, wrong. West, rest. Sue, zoo. Show, so. Shoes, choose. Tie, die. 10, then, wing, win. The alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
यातल्या उच्चारणांचा वारंवार अभ्यास करा. तुमचं इंग्रजी सुधारण्यास निश्चितच मदत होईल.
आशा आहे या व्हिडिओमधील टॉपिक तुम्हाला समजले असतीलच. अजून पुढील व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि इतर पालकांना आणि विद्यार्थ्यांना शेअर करून पुढील व्हिडिओसाठी आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करा.